the Calendar Hero application. So first of all, go to the level up marketplace like this, and here search the Calendar Hero and then install it. So if you install it on all the location, then install on agency level. Otherwise, you can also install on a particular location as well. So in our case, we are going to install on all the locations. So here I click it and then allow. So enable and then proceed. In this section, you have to wait like the app will be installed. So there will be a message shown. So like this, app is successfully installed. After this, go to the location level that I am on location Ali. So then go to there, this will be a custom page show. So here all the install app will be show. So our app is Calendar Hero, so I'm going to configure it. So I need a API key of Calendar Hero. So after this, we need a account of Calendar Hero application. So here I created the account. So first of all, I will tell you from scratch. Like first of all, go to my account, and after this, go to my profile setting, and there is the API. Click on it. After you click it, so this is your API token. So then copy it. So after you copy this, go there like and then paste. So first of all, then submit it. After you submit, so the API key is saved and then you can use it in the automations. So then you will use it in the workflow builder as well. Okay, thank you, sir.